kinuha namin yung drone namin eh. Sayang.
Saan ma'am? Sa Salina?
Oo.
Ganda pa naman dito yung drone.
Pwede?
Ganda rin ito ma'am.
Pwede gamitin yung drone.
Maraming ganda na rin.
Ayun na namin yun talaga yung
Sayang. Yan, sayang sa ma'am. Kaya nagpasikat dito ng gatis ma'am.
Oo.
Yung drone. Sige, nakita talaga yung view.
Ang cute talaga. Kala namin kasi pag ano, pag mahangin, hindi pwede.
Marami rin naman.
Oo. Pero sige. Sa susunod, balik naman daw. Nakalulutan.
Okay ma'am sir, welcome po sa Polo Pandan Islands ma'am sir ha. Polo Pandan Island. Tapos ma'am yung panglaban rito sa picture, yung picture frame. Para naka-frame picture dito yung nakukuha sa Polo Pandan. Yung frame, para naka-frame sir.
Picture frame, you're gonna get a picture frame. There is a picture frame over there. You're gonna take a picture. I will take.
For how much?
I don't know. Oh no, nothing.
Free?
Free, I think.
Ah.
I will take a picture
And
of
put
you.
it in the tour?
I don't know. But let's see. It's gonna turn around.
Maybe it needs to come in at a different angle. I hope this shot comes out of those islands with those clouds above them. That's very pretty. But this is a really nice camera.
But he said to me, you can fly the drone in. Talaga you're gonna see the drone,
Yeah.
whole island.
Next time.
Okay, next time.
Busy place. Lots of boat tours coming here.
Lakaw Raste. 30
30
minutes.
30 minutes. So, sa island na kami katag sa oras mo. Sa Video Island. Sa Nakabungkaw. Sa mga 30 minutes.
Oh, see, you cannot fly even 30 minutes.
Ah, it's okay.
Pwede ka paligo.
Pwede ah.
This is
Oh,
so
you can
small.
swim here.
Yeah. This is so small.
You can get your life jacket, they said.
Leave it.
Yeah, leave it. You can swim.
Oh, may time limit tayo mama.
30 minutes.
30 minutes na rito. Sa island, nagbibigay kami ng isang oras sa island.
Only in the islands in Cabruco is...
Kaya po ma'am, so.
Okay.
Thank you.
take a pictures over there.